Hello everyone and welcome back to the Web Solution Master. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's revolutionizing the way we write code, AI code generation. If you've ever felt buried under boilerplate or stuck debugging a tricky function, this video's for you. We're going beyond the basic autocomplete you might be used to and exploring how you can truly master AI to become a faster, more efficient, and more effective developer. Let's start with the basics. What are AI code generation tools? Think of them as your super intelligent coding assistants. Tools like GitHub, Copilot, Tab9, and Amazon Code Whisperer integrate directly into your IDE and do more than just suggest the next word. They understand the context of your project, your variables, your functions, your overall architecture, and can generate entire blocks of code from simple functions to complex algorithms in seconds. This is the first secret to unlocking efficiency, streamlining your coding process. Instead of manually typing out every single line, you can describe what you want in a comment and let the AI handle the heavy lifting. This frees up your mental energy to focus on the bigger picture, the logic and structure of your application. Now let's talk about a huge benefit, a massive productivity boost. Imagine you need a function to parse a CSV file, connect to a database, or make an API call. These are common tasks, but they still take time to write and test. With an AI assistant, you can generate a solid first draft of these code snippets almost instantly. This isn't about replacing you as a developer, it's about augmenting your abilities and get from idea to implementation much faster, which is invaluable whether you're working on a personal project or against a tight deadline. This rapid generation allows for quicker prototyping and experimentation. It's letting you test out different approaches without a huge time investment. But speed isn't everything, right? What about code quality? This is where many developers get skeptical, and for good reason. You can't just blindly trust AI-generated code. However, you can use AI to enhance code quality. Many of these tools have built-in AI-assisted debugging capabilities. If you have a piece of code that's not working, you can ask the AI to explain it, find potential bugs, or even suggest a refactored, more efficient version. It can spot off by one errors, unhandled edge cases, or inefficient loops that you might have missed after staring at the screen for hours. The key is to treat the AI as a collaborator, a second pair of eyes that can offer a different perspective on your code and help you catch mistakes early. So, how do we get the best possible output from these amazing tools? The secret lies in your prompts. Garbage in, garbage out. The art of AI code generation is mastering the art of the prompt. You need to be clear, specific, and provide as much context as possible. For example, instead of writing a comment that says function to sort users, try something more descriptive like function to sort a list of user objects by last name alphabetically, case insensitive. See the difference? By specifying the data structure, the sorting criteria, and the desired behavior, you guide the AI to produce exactly the code you need. Think of it as writing a detailed spec for your AI assistant. The more detail you provide, the better the result. You would never copy and paste code from a random forum into a production application without understanding it, right? The same principle applies to AI-generated code. It's essential to validate every suggestion. The AI has been trained on a massive dataset of public code, which includes both brilliant solutions and insecure, outdated, or buggy examples. It doesn't inherently know what's best practice or what's secure. So, your job as the human in the loop is to critically review the code. Does it handle user input safely to prevent injection attacks? Does it use modern, secure libraries? Always cross-reference the AI's suggestions with official documentation and trusted sources. This validation step is non-negotiable. Use the AI for speed, but use your expertise for security and reliability. Finally, let's talk about the future, which is already here, using AI for iterative development. Software development is rarely a one-shot process. It's a cycle of writing, testing, and refining. AI can supercharge this entire loop. You can use it to generate unit tests for a function it just wrote. You can ask it to refactor a piece of code to be more readable or performant. Then, you can ask it to generate new tests for the refactored code. This creates a powerful feedback loop where you and the AI work together to iteratively improve the code base. This transforms the AI from a simple code generator into a true partner in the creative process of building robust, high-quality software. It's a continuous cycle of improvement, powered by intelligent collaboration. To wrap things up, AI code generation is not a magic wand that will write perfect software for you. It's a powerful set of tools that, when mastered, can fundamentally change how you work. By streamlining processes, using clear prompts, validating every output, and leveraging AI for iterative testing, you can unlock incredible levels of efficiency and productivity. You get to spend less time on the tedious parts of coding and more time on what truly matters, solving complex problems and building amazing things. The future of software development is collaborative, and your new coding partner is an AI. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gives you a clearer picture of how to effectively use AI in your daily coding life. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content on the future of tech and development. Let me know in the comments how you're using AI in your projects. Until next time, happy coding.